Hello, I'm Zooey. We will start from the basics of food technology. Here, food technology is the application of food science to the selection, preservation, processing, packaging, distribution, and use of safe food. The related fields include analytical chemistry, biotechnology, engineering, nutrition, quality control, and food safety management. How do they come? It comes from the nature, like plants making food. Let us consider fruits and vegetables. Let's consider any fruit, like apple, that gives us a juicy taste. It can have leaf on top. The scientific name of apple is Malus domestica. There can be lots of variations like Granny Smith, Red Delicious, Cortland, and others. Related to apple, you can find various fruits like orange, pineapple, banana, grapes, and others. Vegetables on the other hand, let's suppose, tomatoes, but with a different taste. The color is similar to apple. Its scientific name is Solanum lycopersicum. There can be a stem on top as well. It can have various types of tomato, like Better Boy, cherry, yellow tasteful and others. Related to tomatoes, you can find various types of vegetables like carrot, eggplant, onion, and others. If you'd like to start the manufacturing process, you may have to do the food research first. Food research is the careful, systematic study, investigation, and compilation of information about foods and their components. For the food manufacturing is the mass production of food products from raw animal and plant materials, using principles of food technology, especially in the food factory. Once they complete the manufacturing, they are ready for shipping, and be distributed to various markets in various places, or it can import to various countries like, from US to Canada, or Brazil, or in European Union like Spain. According to the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, in United States, there are approximately 44,000 food processors and 113,000 food warehouses in the US that provide processed foods to our country, and exports throughout the world. The processors include canners, producers, wineries, and other food and beverage manufacturers and distributors. So, this is just basics that you now have learned. Like, comment, and subscribe now.